with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. I hope you guys are having a nice Monday and a nice start to your week. Today is July 9th, 2018, and this is going to be my watch list for July 10th, 2018. Bulls to the Wall Trading is a channel I created in order to encourage people to learn how to trade and guide new traders into breaking down the stereotype that trading is difficult. So I like to take things very simple and slowly and just simplify everything so you really understand that it is not that difficult and it is not as hard as people make it seem. I'm not a financial planner nor a financial advisor, so anything that I discuss here is just my personal opinion. Please do your own research. Please do not take any stocks that I discuss and throw money at it without knowing what you're doing, because that is a sure way of losing money. I have a free chat room through the Discord app, so please feel free to join that if you enjoy these videos, and you can ask questions there. As always, please subscribe and like. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I appreciate the love. It feels like over the last couple months I'm picking up subscribers left and right, so thank you so much for that. And the way that I do my videos is I talk about day trading first, and then I go into swing trading. This video is going to be a little bit more, I guess, more focused on day trading, because there are some nice setups that I'm seeing for tomorrow. I also have a course where I teach you everything that I know from A to Z for $100. So if you're interested in that, you can go to bullstothewalltrading.com. and that will direct you. So let me just put it on here, bullstothewalltrading.com, and that will direct you to my Teachable site, which has a course. It's a totally different entity. It's a totally different brand, and again, the course is on there for $100. So it will redirect you to this Teachable site, and again, it's for $100. Pretty affordable for everybody out there that wants to learn or just wants to learn my strategies. A little intro right here. This is me right there, yours truly. You can see my story here, and this is all the classes that are available. So this is a one-time payment of $100, and you can watch this whenever you want. You can pause it, you can rewind it, you can, it's basically an on-demand feature. So I'd have a free class right here, Stock Market 101, which you can preview and watch for free. And then if you feel comfortable with how I like to explain things, which by now you should if you're watching my videos, you can buy the course. And again, it's just $100, which is pretty affordable for everybody. So feel free to get that. Thank you for the people that have purchased it. I hope you guys are learning, and I hope that I do a good job. All right, so day trading, we're gonna get into that for my watch list for tomorrow. So before I get into that, as always, I just need to let you guys know that this is my particular way of trading, whether it's day trading or swing trading. This does not mean that this is the only way to trade. This just means that this is the way that works for me. This does not mean that this is how you have to trade. It just means that for my style, for my personality, for how I like to see things and do things, this is the best way that has worked for me. Just because it works for me, it does not mean it's going to work for you. So just please keep that in mind and understand that there's many, many different ways of trading. So the way that I like to day trade is I like to trade the momentum. I like to identify the high of day, whether it's pre-market, intraday, or post-market. And we like to trade that high. So the first one that I have is ISR, and this is a beautiful setup right now. If you look at this stock, it was trading at 43 cents on Friday, and then right now it's at $1.57. It reached the high of day after the market closed. So this is what we like to see. We like to see a stock make a move up. So how do I like to trade? How do I like to day trade, and how do I trade the momentum or the high? We basically, what we want to do, we want to find the high of the day. And if we can see right here, this light gray area, this is after the market closed. So this stock is moving a lot after the market closed, and it made a new high after the market closed. That is a very good sign. So we identify the high and we draw a line through that point. The technical term, this would be a resistance line. So what do we want to happen here? Tomorrow we want the stock to cross above $1.57 with good volume, and that could send this stock up for a nice gain. As always, I tell you guys in my videos, nothing is guaranteed. You got to have a backup plan. Just because the price crosses $1.57 with good volume, it does not mean that it's going to take off. It does not mean that it's going to make you hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. This stock could very well cross $1.57, go up to $1.60, and come right back down. So please have a backup plan. Please be ready for anything that can happen. Just like you have a strategy to get in, you got to have a strategy to get out if things go south or if things don't turn out the way you want it to. So right now this looks very, very good. I like a lot of movement here in the post market. Most likely this will continue throughout the night, and hopefully whether it's during the post market or pre-market, it crosses $1.57 or comes close to it. Right now it seems like it's going down a bit, but hopefully it can start to recover a bit and go back up. The next one is STAF. Alright, this is another one that had a nice, let me delete this line real quick. This is another one that had a nice run today, and if you see right here, this light gray area, again, it's been moving in the post market, and it made a new high in the post market. So the high is $6.20, so that's where we will put our resistance line. And same situation here, we want the price to keep going close to 620 and at some point start to curl up, cross $6.20 with good volume, and we could get in at 621, 622, and hopefully that can set it off for a nice little gain. As always, nothing's guaranteed. Please have a backup plan, and the main thing to this strategy is volume. Volume drives everything. Volume is the key to this. The more volume, the better. So that's STAF. The next one is LC. Here's another good looking chart. So the reason I got this one is because you might be saying, well, it's not moving in the post market. It did have a nice little run up, but the reason I chose it is because it saw some resistance at $4.50. For those of you that have been watching my videos for a while, or if you just started, you guys know that I stress the fact of whole dollar and half dollar resistance points. So it's no coincidence that this stock ran up and couldn't go past $4.50. Why? That's because whole dollar amounts, aka $1, $2, $3, $4, and so on, and half dollar amounts, aka 50 cents, $1.50, $2.50, $3.50, $4.50, are big mental resistance points. So if this stock is able to cross $4.50 with good volume, that would be a really, really good sign, because it's crossing that mental resistance of the half dollar amount. So that's one of the reasons why I chose it, and it is no coincidence that it could not go past $4.50. Next one, CVM. Alright, here's another one. It went from about 83 cents on Friday to now it made a new high of $1.30, and it made that after the market closed. So it's moving in the post market. It's kind of trending down, but still I like the fact that it's being bought and sold in the post market and that it made the high in the post market. So again, we find the high, we draw our line, or if you want to get technical, our resistance line, and then you guys should know the rest by now. We want the price action to start to curl up, cross above $1.30 with good volume, and that could be a nice little setup for us. And the last one, LEDS. This is another great setup. Again, like I mentioned, there's a lot of good setups going on right now. Actually, I had a good day in the markets. I think the Dow Jones closed at 320. Yeah, plus 320. So a lot of good setups going on. So LEDS, what do we see? We see a chart trending up. It made a high after the market closed at $6.39. It's trading, being bought and sold after the market closed, and it's 13 cents away from the high. So again, we want the price across $6.39 with good volume, and that could be a nice little launch pad to nice gains. As always, if if you're not familiar to day trading, it moves very, very fast. Please have a backup plan. Please, study day trading first. Please understand what it is that you're looking at. Please do not throw money blindly at these stocks if you don't know what I'm talking about, because you are setting yourself up for failure. Day trading is very hectic. It's very fast. It's very fast paced. If you blink, you might miss your opportunity. So please understand that before day trading. So that's my advice to you guys. So that is all I have for day trading. Now I'm going to switch it over to swing trading. And for swing trading, I like more of a big picture kind of deal. So I switched to a year and daily chart, where as far as day trading, we were looking at a daily chart where each candle is 5 minutes. So we will change this to a yearly chart as soon as this decides to respond to my command. It should be any day now. Oh, there we go. So we'll change it to a yearly and daily chart. So it means we're looking at 1 year right here, and each candle is a day. So today I didn't swing trade anything, so that's why I said I'm going to focus more on the day trading aspect of it. But I will go over my 2 swings that I'm currently in. So LPI had a great day. It went up 4.5%, and we will show you right here. So I got in on this candle right here, and it's kind of been going up and down, but it's following this pattern or this channel that I have drawn here with these 2 blue lines. So this is today's candle, and it was a very, very good candle. Again, it went up 43 cents. At one point it reached $10.12, which is really good, but it could not hold above $10, which is what I was really looking for. I wanted this to close above $10, but it's 1 penny away. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it can continue that upwards trend tomorrow, and that would be a really, really, really good sign, because that would mean that the price action would be above the 200 moving average, the 50 moving average, and the 20 moving average. So this is looking super bullish right now, and it's still trending upwards. It's still in that channel that I created here with these blue lines. And CRMD, this is a low risk, high reward situation where I'm just betting on positive news coming out soon. If positive news comes out, this should go up. If not, well, it'll go down, and then my stop will catch me for a small loss. So I'm taking a risk here. This isn't much of a technical play. It's more of a, I have really nothing to lose and a lot to gain. So that's why I'm in that. Let me see if I have anything as far as swing trades. LPI, that's the one that I'm in. HK. Yeah, I don't think I saw anything that caught my eye today. So I'm not going to go over anything. No, that's not good yet. So I'm just gonna leave it there. Again, please check the chat room out. I'll leave the link in the description. Please check the course. Again, it's bullstotherwalltrading.com. That'll redirect you to my course. It'll teach you every single thing that I know. How to set up your scanner, what you're looking at, candlesticks, moving averages, support, resistance, how to read the MACD, how to read the RSI, level 2, time and sales. Basically everything that I know, I pass that information down to you guys. And again, for $100, it's a steal, really. There's some people out there that have courses for $400, $500. I wanted to make it affordable for everybody, just in case somebody wants to just see what it's about, and maybe after you buy the course you decide it's not for you. Well, you bought a course for $100, that's not bad. It would hurt you more if you bought a course for like $500 and then you realize that maybe you're not made for this. So that's why I priced it at that price point, just so it's accessible to everybody. Please like and subscribe. Thank you everybody for the support. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I think that's all I got to say. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and good luck trading, everybody. Thanks.